you about like what's the difference between a girls bar and like a made coffee, concept coffee?
Okay.
They have like a different type of category. Can you explain what the difference is?
Yeah. Actually, like I'm not sure. I'm not pretty sure, but like I know some difference that the kind of style bar in a restaurant.
Right.
Okay, so like all kind of concept bar, made cafe, girls bar, kebakura.
Right.
It called like yorushoku. Yorushoku means
Night job.
Yes, night job.
Ah.
So actually, like the concept cafe and the made cafe are open in the daytime.
Right.
From like 11 a.m.
Right.
to maybe like at the night, depends on the place. Okay, so for example, first of all, like the lower one is like maybe the made cafe.
Made coffee.
I think, I'm not sure.
Okay.
The made cafe, and the made cafe is a place to talk with the maid-san.
Right.
Maid, and then they dress up like the maid.
Right.
Maid.
Yeah.
I don't know. And then like, okay, so that there's one of the popular menu. So like most of the time, like in the maid cafe, we can enjoy the drinking, coffee, and then some food.
Right.
And then like some maid, when we order the omurice, they write a name and then like I love you or something like a cute picture.
Right. Okay.
By the ketchup.
Yeah. By ketchup.
On the omurice.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it's like kind of like that. And then concept cafe is like kind of like made cafe, but like each made concept cafe has a the concept, something like pirates, something like a devil, something like an angel.
Right. They have different like costumes.
Yes, like that. So it's kind of same as made cafe.
Right.
And then another one is a girls bar. Same as here.
Yeah.
And then this is a place to talk with a girl, as I told you.
Right.
But like a girl should be in the front.
Okay.
Yeah, so the girl cannot be the next to the customer.
So they cannot sit like this.
Yes.
It should be in the opposite side, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
So, and then one of the big difference is like, how can I say, like, it's kind of like that, but like a customer can request a girl,
right,
who they want to talk to. So in the made cafe and the concept cafe, the girls gonna be in the rotation.
Right.
So they cannot
specifically be with someone.
Yes.
Okay.
It's impossible.
But in girls' bar, actually they can.
I mean, like.
Maybe.
Yes. Yeah. Depends on the bar.
Right.
Yes. But like here, we had a kind of request system. So it's not the super request, but like we can stay if the customer give us that kind of drink. We can stay here like much longer than like without drink.
Right. So if they buy you a drink, they can stay and talk with you
much longer.
Much longer. Okay, I got it. And then, how about what else? Girls.
Kebakura.
Kebakura. What's the?
Kebakura is a kind of same place. This is that place is it's a place to talk with the girls. But like the girls can be exactly next to you.
Right.
You can have a seat like here.
Right.
That place. And so it's gonna be more closer. It's gonna be closer.
Right. Yeah.
And then obviously the price is gonna be much more expensive.
Much more expensive.
Yes.
Right.
So it's kind of like that.
Oh, awesome.
I think.
Yeah, but in Kawakura, actually, they can touch the girl, like if you do like shoulder.
It's not accepted.
It's not accepted.
Like, it's like accepted, but like I feel that most of the customer can touch them.
One
like,
day.
You know,
yeah.
Like they sneak to touch them.
Right. Okay. Oh, that's okay. So that's it. Kawakura, girls bar, made coffee, concept coffee. Yeah.
Yes.
That's all. Yeah. Like 4 categories. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Cheers. And then, when you start working at 8 o'clock, you said? So you come here at 8 o'clock, yeah?
Yes.
So you eat dinner, then you start working, or
Dinner what?
dinner?
Dinner?
Yeah.
Start working?
I mean, after eating food, dinner.
Oh yeah. Actually, depends on the day.
All right.
Like normally, I have the dinner in my
Right.
home, and then come to here.
Oh.
But like sometimes the customer asks me to go out for the dinner,
Right.
and after that we're gonna come over here
Ah.
together. Yeah.
Oh, so actually, do you have that? What is the service name? After and
Oh, dohan?
Dohan.
Yes.
Dohan, you have that service, yeah?
Yeah.
And there is another one, Dohan, and after.
After?
Yeah.
After is going out with a customer after working.
It's like eating breakfast, yeah, that day.
Yeah, eating breakfast or going to place to darts.
Oh, dart place, yeah.
Yeah, like it depends on the girl.
Right, okay. So you play dart too?
Yeah, I'm not good at it.
You know, you're good at talking, and
I hope
yeah,
so.
yeah, you're really good. And then, okay. Any other things that you want to show here? Yeah. Oh.
Oh, actually, like maybe just before I show my the Instagram story.
Oh yeah, the photo, yeah.
Yeah, I really want to show you that
The tequila wheel.
Tequila Wheel.
Oh, tequila wheel.
That's
Yeah, I want to see that.
awesome.
All right.
Okay, so follow me that way.
All right. Okay. Tequila wheel.
This is the one.
Oh. Wow, this is
That's
so
so
beautiful.
cute, right?
Yeah, it's very cute. Tequila wheel. How does it work?
How does it work?
Yeah.
Okay, so like this tequila wheel that comes with a 12 shot of tequila, and then we put the shot like shot glasses in here,
Right.
and then it's gonna circle around.
Wow.
And then actually this is latest one.
The
I think
latest.
we got it just yesterday. I think.
Oh, yesterday. It's very new.
Yes, it's really brand new.
Right.
So we call it like an FL tequila shot.
Oh, I feel
Tower,
something.
I don't know.
Yeah, I feel
Something
something.
like that. And then this is one of the popular one in the girls because like
Right.
it looks so cute, right?
Oh, yeah. It's
Like
very
that.
cute, yeah. Oh, okay.
I
Then-
do think.
Yeah, it's so cool. And then the customers, how do they use this service?
Oh, depends on the customer.
Right.
Or like, okay, so many customer, I mean like especially repeater,
Right.
come to this bar
Yeah.
to cheer up the girl. I mean their favorite girls.
Right.
So of course, when we get the kind of things, I mean
Yeah.
the tequila wheel,
Right.
we're so glad, we are so happy, right?
Oh,
It
yeah.
looks so awesome, and then we can get a little shot of tequila.
Oh,
Cool.
that sounds super fun.
Yeah,
Yeah. Cool.
like that. I think it's better than ordering 12 shot of tequila.
Yeah.
Because it's much cheaper. I mean like a little bit cheaper,
Yeah.
and then
And it's
it
fun.
looks good, right?
Yeah, it's shiny, it's cool.
Yes.
Kira kira.
Kira, kira. Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you very much.
No problem.
All right. Thank you very much. You're really good at explaining stuff. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I don't want to stop the video, but we have to this time. Yeah. Let's make some video again.
Yeah, why
All
not?
right. Thank you very much. Do you have anything else to say at that?
What should I say? Like, okay, so thank you for shooting me at the Milky Bar today.
Yeah. Thank you too.
And then, yeah, as I told you, I really love traveling.
Right.
So, like, yeah, I want to go to Austria, European
Austria.
country,
Right.
and then States. Even I visited so many times.
Oh, okay.
So,
cool.
like, yeah, I wish you guys leave some comment, and then, yeah, like, say something about your country.
Yeah, and also they can follow you directly on your Instagram. Also
Yes.
the bar,
please.
Milky Bar. They can come here directly and talk to you.
Why not?
Your English is perfect.
You're welcome. Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay.